What is ClickFunnels? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about what ClickFunnels does, how to use it, how you can use it to build a really cool sales funnel that you can use to market to your email list, to people who've signed up for your newsletter, or how you can use it with an opt-in page to build it from scratch as long as you can generate traffic from it. So let's take a look at the ClickFunnels dashboard. So if we take a look here, this is a funnel that I built in like 5 minutes. Okay, I haven't done any fancy editing to it or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you guys what ClickFunnels is and all of these steps that you can do. You can do more than this also. So basically, this is a funnel, right? For those of you who don't know, ClickFunnels is a marketing tool, it's like a suite of tools that you can use to build all of these really cool like one-page sites that you combine into like this track, or it's called a funnel, that when you have, a way to contact a lot of people, some people use an email list, some people use Facebook ads, you can basically put them on this track and you can hit them with a different offer every single day, right? And ClickFunnels just makes it really easy for you to do that. So let's take a look here. The first page is an opt-in page, right? So anytime you are driving traffic to a funnel, generally you want to start with an opt-in page. Okay, that's not 100% of the time, but most of the time that's going to be the case. So if we take a look here, this is fairly straightforward. It's essentially what you do on an opt-in page is you offer something for free in exchange for the person's contact information. Think of it like lead generation. So in this case, we're giving away this book. Just enter your name, your email address, and you'll get this free PDF or whatever it is. The next step in the funnel would be the sales page, right? After we've got the email address, after we've got the lead, we want to sell them something. We want to at least try to sell them something. Now this is a template, and ClickFunnels makes it very easy to use templates like this, where everything is like pre-written for you. The stuff has all been tested a million times. Like you don't have to come up with the stuff on your own. And then it's got these templates basically that you can fill in with whatever you're selling. And they look pretty cool, right? And this is fairly long as well. So, at the end of this sales page, it's pretty cool. They have like a link, like a button here where you can order whatever the product is. And like I said, you can put whatever product you want here. You can even give it away for free like they do in the opt-in page, and then put affiliate links in the actual product itself. But anyway, let's stay on topic. Once you're done with the sales page, right? Let's say they buy this $7 PDF or whatever. You're going to take them to, right, the next one is the order page. Okay, so the order page, fairly straightforward. This is just where they fill in a little bit more of their details, right? They've already agreed to purchase whatever it is. Now you just need their details, and then you want to take them to step 2, which is going to allow them to pay. Now, assuming they've paid, the next thing that you want to do is you want to do what's called an upsell or an OTO, right? This is a one-time offer. So you've already got this client who wants to pay you for a piece of information. They want to sign up for a lead. They like what you've got. So what you want to do next is you want to offer them a chance to buy something else, right? It's called an upsell. So in this case, we've got this affiliate, it's another ebook basically. And like I said, I put this together in 5 minutes. I just added them, willy-nilly. I wasn't trying to build something concrete. I just wanted to show you guys the steps. So obviously, imagine that all the branding is the same for all of this and they're all in the same niche, but you get the idea, right? Just trying to understand the concept. So the idea here is that we want to charge them more than what the original product costs, right? This is first we've got the PDF, now we've got this ultimate affiliate skills book, right? Maybe first you do a PDF and then you do a webinar, you do a full course or training or something. The next step is going to be a downsell, right? So sometimes people will go for this OTO, sometimes they won't. They'll be like, nah, I'll just click this, no thanks, I don't need it right now. Then we go to the downsell, right? Now this is very sparse, obviously, but just imagine this is hey, maybe you want to buy this other book and it's not $29, it's only $13 or whatever it is. You want to drop the price on them so that the contrast between the two most recent prices is big enough so they don't think this is a big deal. And then after that, we're going to have an affiliate offer. Now, obviously, this is optional, but if you're selling your own products, you might want to have affiliates that are selling for you. So if and ClickFunnels makes it easy for you to do this, so you can set up basically an affiliate dashboard for other people to sell your product. And maybe some of those people would be people who have bought your product as well. So that might happen if you're contacting the right people. So finally is the thank you page. Let's say they don't buy any of these, worst case scenario, they don't buy anything, but they click all the way through. This is basically thanking them for, signing up, and in their email, they'll get the video or they'll get the PDF or whatever it is that you promised them that they essentially initially wanted. And then once you've got their email address, what you do is you come over here to, this is under Actionetics, it's called Action Funnels. ClickFunnels is really cool because if you sign up for their affiliate bootcamp, which I'll make a video about later, they basically walk you through how to use ClickFunnels, which is essentially a tool for affiliate marketers to build a funnel to push traffic to sell different offers, which is what affiliate marketing is. They teach you how to use ClickFunnels by becoming an affiliate for ClickFunnels. So this is like a 9-day drip campaign that I used from what's called an email swipe file, which is just like some pre-written templates for emails. They're just called swipe files. So I've got 9 in here, and I loaded these all in here. They were, I formatted them on my own. But essentially they give you, all of this, and you put some links to whatever affiliate offer you're promoting. And then, if people buy something, then obviously you get credit for that. So that's what ClickFunnels is. I think it's a really cool piece of software. You can make a funnel a day, right? And if you've got the traffic to support that, you can actually make a lot of money very quickly. So that's basically it. In the description of this video, I've actually included a link to a free 30-day trial of ClickFunnels. So if you're interested in giving it a shot and you want to kind of try your hand at all this funnel building and making money by pushing people towards a series of offers, I recommend that you check that out. That is an affiliate link. So you can see it's like very meta, right? Promoting ClickFunnels with affiliate links. It's like, yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you click that like button. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave that in the comment section. And if you want to see more updates on any future videos, make sure you click that subscribe button. Peace.